What's up? I just had a kick-ass lunch. Okay, so as I was looking on the net and I found some really fun, fucked up goat video. It's pretty funny, but here, take a look.
Le vamos a preguntar a este vecino, ¿qué cree usted que está pasando en Telde? ¿Qué es lo que está pasando en Telde? ¿Qué es lo que está pasando en Gran Canaria? Oiga, señor, que estoy hablando con usted, no me dé la espalda, hombre. ¿Qué pasa en su corral? Zapatero, ¿qué opina usted del gobierno de Zapatero? Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted del gobierno canario? ¿Y de los ayuntamientos de la isla? Le vamos a preguntar que si reciben alguna subvención del gobierno. ¿Reciben ustedes alguna subvención del gobierno?
Okay, pretty fucked up, yeah? Okay, number one, this goat looks domesticated, so it probably is a pet, right? I know people that have goats as a pet. It's fucked up. Okay, clearly this goat has issues. Alright, you gotta give credit to the guy that's working on this documentary, but he never gives up. But this goat is fucking psycho. He does because he's a psycho cunt. Okay? This is what happens when goats really get scared. They go stiff as fucking shit. That's what really happens when they get fucking scared. Okay. I'm not sure if a goat can really shit itself, but if it did, it would be like opening a fucking bag of rocks. Like just get a piece of paper or net, fill it up with rocks, cut it with scissors, watch the rocks fall out. That's what happens. Its asshole is like this small. Asshole that small. When it shits, it expands like that, and all the shit falls out like little tiny pebbles. It's fucked up. Okay, so yeah, that's how some people are with their money. They're that fucking tight. They're tight asses. No offense, like some Asian people. They're fucking stingy motherfuckers. Get that fucking big ass, tight ass, psycho fuck, whatever. So, we all know that goat is one psycho motherfucker. Yeah. I'm pretty sure everyone knows my dog Sag. He's one psycho cunt. Remember when he tried to bite me when I farted on his head? And when I just tried to pat him, he went like a psycho cunt and didn't stop licking his asshole. Yeah. But there is one thing I will not mess with. That motherfucking goat. He is one psycho motherfucker. Why people don't have pets as goats? Why people don't have goats as pets? They get their big ass horns, they chew paper, they eat anything, and they shit like rocks, and they yell and spit at people. Pretty funny, like a llama. Okay, so if you want a goat as a pet, by all means go and get one. But there is a safer option. If you want someone that can spit and like snort and bite and shit, get a llama. You know why? Because they look like a camel. And camels have one big giant dick. And please, leave in your comment section below what your worst encounter was with an animal. Preferably a goat. If not, tell me about it.
See, baby, see, it's perfect. Baby, now I'm on tonight. My hips don't